Hi guys, this is an unboxing video of imoo Watch Phone Z6 and the basic introduction of this product. When you open the box, you see an imoo Watch Phone Z6. A guidebook and warranty card, a SIM card picker and a charging cable. Only 2 buttons on the watch body. The one on the right side is the power button. You can turn on/off the screen by pressing it. Press and hold it for seconds to turn on, turn off, restart the device. The other one on the top is a lock button. Press it and you can flip up the watch body from the base. As you see, a rear camera hides on the watch back. Yes, that's a dual camera design from imoo. The charging contactor and SIM card deck locate on the watch back. The charging contactor is made of magnet, which will actively match with the charging cable. Do not touch the contactor when the watch is charging. Now, let's see how to use imoo Watch Phone Z6 when we get it for the first time. 1. Please choose an operator that is compatible with our product. You can find detailed info on our website. 2. Please use the standard nano SIM card. Remember to activate network access when purchasing a SIM card. Turn off the watch, find the SIM card deck on the watch back, and open the card cover with the SIM card picker. Insert the SIM card into the groove of SIM card deck. Push the deck back and make sure the deck is firmly locked. There are 2 ways to download imoo app. One is to search the app of imoo Watch Phone in App Store or Google Play. The other way is to scan the QR code on the box of imoo Watch Phone. After installation, open the app, tap Register, input your cell phone number. Tap Next, then you will get a verification code on your cell phone. Input the code. Tap Next, input the password you want to set. Tap Finish, and your account will be registered. After registration, we can scan the bind code of the watch to bind this device with our cell phone. By sliding the watch interface, you can find bind code easily. Either scanning the QR code or input the bind code manually is okay. When the watch is bound, all the features in imoo app are available for you. You can learn more about that in the instruction video of imoo app. Well, that's all about the basic introduction of imoo Watch Phone Z6. Please feel free to contact us at www.imoostore.com if you have any questions in using our product. Thank you for choosing imoo Watch Phone. Hi guys, I will show you the common features of imoo Watch Phone. Press the power button to light up the screen. Slide from top to bottom to check the status bar and some important push notifications. Slide right from the home screen to enter Call. The added contacts will appear, and tapping one of them can make a video call or voice call. When a kid is having a video call with his parents, he can flip the phone body up and show his surroundings to parents. Slide left from the home screen to enter More interface. Slide up or down to choose corresponding features. Enter Chat interface, and you can directly choose a contact to chat with. When chatting with others, you can send voice messages, stickers, photos, short videos, and even dress up your voice to play a joke. Different imoo Watch Phone users can add friends with each other face-to-face. Enter Add Friends of both watches and tap Face-to-Face Making Friends. After bumping the 2 watches together, the 2 users become friends. Try to chat with your friends. We know that kids love taking photos and videos, so here are what you want. When the watch body is flipped up, the rear camera will be turned on. If you want to switch between front and rear cameras, just slide from top to bottom. Step counter, alarm, stopwatch, and messages. You can find more apps in App Center. Also, settings about display, sound, and vibration could be changed directly on your imoo Watch Phone. WLAN and Bluetooth are supported as well. You can turn on/off them directly through the watch. When you plan to have an overseas trip, don't forget to turn on Travel Abroad mode before traveling. As a swimming water resistant device, Z6 equips an amazing feature called drainage. Let kids be free when they want to play with water. Well, that's all about the common features of imoo Watch Phone Z6. Please feel free to contact us at www.imostore.com if you have any questions in using our product. Thank you for choosing imoo Watch Phone. Hi guys, today I will show you some common features of imoo Watch Phone app. Enter imoo app after your watch phone is bound. You'll see 5 buttons on the dock. The button in the middle is dial. You can call your child directly by tapping it. The first button on the left is chat. Tap it and you can use the functions of chat, family group chat, and video call. Accurate locating technology is built in imoo Watch Phone. When you enter the interface of locating, you can check your kid's real-time location and movement status. Besides, the button of Find My Kid is in the upper right corner. You will be navigated to kid's position by this feature. All the changes of the bound watch will be shown in the interface of messages, and parents will be notified at the same time. The button of More lies in the right corner of the dock. You can find more features in this interface. Tap Plus in the upper right corner and choose Add Watch. Scan the QR code on imoo Watch Phone or input the bind code of the watch. Choosing Unbind Watch can end your relationship with the watch. If you're the administrator of it, you can appoint another family member as the administrator. Enter kid's name card, and you'll see your kid's phone number, bind code, and detailed information of your kid. More contacts can be added after you're authorized as the administrator. Through app management, once Reject Unknown Call is turned on, strange calls will not be received by your kids. Class mode is developed for students studying in class. After parents preset the school schedule, kids can only tell the time or make emergency calls. We also develop other features, like security guard. Parents will be notified when their kids leave or reach a preset location. Parents can add a WLAN network for the watch. Tap Add Wi-Fi. Choose a Wi-Fi spot. Input the password. Then this spot is added successfully. If the watch WLAN is turned on, it will connect automatically. Also, many other features can be found in the interface of More, such as 4G network, watch language, ringtone, software update, schedule power on-off, etc. Well, that's all about the common features of imoo app.